Hello kids, I'm sure you are doing good at home. Are you helping your mama? Yes. Oh wow, that's great because you love her. And today I'm here to tell you about Mother's Day. Mother's Day is celebrated on every second Sunday in the month of May. Okay kids, I have few lines for our moms. You are my super mom in the whole world and I am your tiny hero. You are always there to protect me with your mighty hands. I will love you today, tomorrow and till the end. So Mother's Day is a great time to show our love to her because a mother is like a light who burns herself to show us light. So it's our duty to take care of her, and today is the day to make her feel special and proud to be a mother. So today your mom will teach you how we can make a beautiful neck piece for our lovely mothers. So you all are excited? Excited? Yes, I know. Today you are super excited because you are making something for your lovely moms. Okay, so let's start our activity. So the things we want for this activity are, because we are making a neck piece, but we are making with macaroni, a different way. So we need macaroni, thread, a thread to put all these macaronis, glitter to decorate that, and I am having two colors to decorate our neck piece, and Fevicol to paste these thermocol balls on our neck piece. So let's start our activity, but before that I need to sanitize my hands. So let me sanitize my hands. So let's start. How we'll make this? We need a thread and we have to put these macaronis by these holes because they are having two holes. So I need to put this thread like this. I'll take the another one. You can use a needle if you are not able to do this. So like this you have to put some macaronis in this thread. I am already having. I'll show you like this. You have to put these macaroni beads into this thread. It's so easy to put all these macaronis in this thread. So our next step is, now we color these macaronis. I'm using these two colors. It's up to your wish how you want to color your next piece. So I'm coloring it like this. I'm coloring it white, vice versa. Alternatively, I'm coloring this. I'm just showing you an example. Now I'm taking pink color. So first I am doing the pink color only. Alternatively, I am doing this color like here. Now I am taking the another color, which is green color. I'm taking green color. Now I'll color this like this. I am doing. See how I am doing. Alternatively, I am coloring all these macaronis. One is pink and the another is green. So this is our second step. Like this, it will come up like this. One is green and another is pink. It will come up like this. You need to make a knot so that these macaronis can't go out from this thread. So I am putting a thread here. I am putting a knot here from this side also. You can't make them loose because it will spoil the whole necklace. Now the another step, now it's a turn to decorate all these macaronis. So how I'll decorate them? First I'll put the Fevicol. You need to wait for a while because the color is not dry now. So the third step is I'm putting the thermocol balls like this. It's up to your choice how you can decorate your mother's neck piece. You can use beads, you can use studs over here, if whatever you are having at your home. So this is the third step. Now I want to decorate it more. So I'll use glitter also to make it more beautiful. You have to put a little drop so that it will not spoil it. So now I'm putting glitter here. You can take help of your family members while doing this activity. So this is the fourth step. The third step was putting thermocol balls. The fourth step is putting glitters. Now we'll wait for a while. Let it be set for a time. So I'll show you how I have done it. See, the final picture of your neck piece will come up like this. Now your neck piece is ready. It's ready for your mom. So it will look like this. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. So kids, give it to your mothers on Mother's Day and then make them feel so special and happy and say, Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. Hope you like this activity. You enjoyed it? Very good. So we'll meet again. Till then, bye-bye. Take care and Happy Mother's Day.